Want to see me inking a Sunday comic strip? Then this is a video you need to check out. Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. As you know, I draw comics, I draw cartoons, and children's picture books. In today's video, I'm working on this Sunday comic strip. I'm using this big page, courtesy of Blue Line Art. I've already done the panels, I've done the lettering and the speech balloons. This is eventually going to be colored, but we'll do that in another video. I'm going to be using a Koh-i-Noor Rapidograph pen. I find this is neat to ink with if you're doing color. It takes some getting used to, though. I mean, I've talked about this before. One of the big problems with a technical drawing pen, these things, well, the lines are not as well detailed as that from a dipping pen or from a brush. But yeah, another problem with these is that they clog up very easy. Yeah, I've ruined a couple of good pens because they've clogged up and nothing I do can clean them out. Here I have Poison Ivy Gulch's mare, Samuel Sidewinder, just walking along. Hey, he's not a very popular mare. Yeah, I inked all those letters earlier with a Speedball C6 nib, dipped in India ink. You know, try different tools when you're drawing. Try the traditional nib pen. Try inking with a brush. Try a technical drawing pen or a marker like this. See what works best for you. I mean, you can only really produce your best work when you have something you're comfortable drawing with. I mean, I have friends out there who have been trying to get me to convert to digital art. I like traditional media just fine, although I still use the computer to retouch and process my artwork. Alright, we're going to try something a little different here. I'm going to use a thicker pen point. I'm going to use the Statler pigment liner, 1.2 millimeters, for this close-up shot here. See, of Mare Samuel Sidewinder. Ink in his big schnozola there. Now, if you're scared to draw comics, don't be. I mean, we all were once beginners. Don't let failure overwhelm you. Don't let what other people think scare you, like your mother or your father or those internet trolls or your art teacher. Just draw. Once you do that and you let go of your fears, there is no limit to what you can do. Now we're going to do this last panel here with the injured mayor and the local justice of the peace, Wiley Oates. We're really getting on in time here. I mean, it's July. The year 2021 is already half over. I mean, this is the second year of Poison Ivy Gulch. I'm going to have to do some more stuff to keep generating fresh ideas. I'm going to watch more westerns, study more comic strips, both old and new. Have to read some other web comics, you know, just for inspiration and ideas. Also, on my to-do list, I'm probably going to get some inspirational material. Probably going to see if I can grab the DVD set of the old 1960s hilarious Western TV show, F Troop. I like the contrast, tall and skinny versus short and stout. Yeah, this was quite a challenge, drawing the mayor all bandaged up. That must have been a big dictionary they nailed him with. Yep, sticks and stones hurt your bones. I guess in this case, words did hurt the mayor. And this will look even better once I color everything. Yeah, I'll have to wait for all the ink to dry. And there, friends, we have a partly completed Sunday comic strip for Poison Ivy Gulch. Well, that's it for today's video. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you like what you see, just check out more of my work at the link below, poisonivygulch.com. Until next time, everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West, saying goodbye.